Ripple XRP news, 15 senior executives from Jpmorgan in Ripple's office, and we know why. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will discuss why 15 senior executives from Jpmorgan were in Ripple's office. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Jpmorgan's North America Equity Research Report published earlier this month puts XRP in the spotlight, even stating the digital asset is poised for significant adoption. While the price of XRP has fallen in recent days, along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market, Ripple Labs has been working non-stop in signing new partners for its RippleNet network and on-demand liquidity service, thus spreading the use of XRP, especially in cross-border payment space. XRP versus Swift. The Jpmorgan report started by stating, quote, XRP was engineered to facilitate transactions on Ripple's blockchain-based digital payment network. Benefits of the network include expedited payments and reduced transaction fees, end quote. The paper mentions its founding date, 2012, and the co-founders Jed McCaleb, who has left the company to launch Stellar, and Chris Larson, a co-defendant in the XRP lawsuit filed by the SEC. While the traditional money transfers, most commonly SWIFT transfers, are costly and can take up to 5 business days to complete, transactions using Ripple's XRP can be completed in as little as 3 to 5 seconds, and transaction fees are just 0.0001 XRP. SWIFT transactions are more expensive due to the numerous intermediary banks involved that charge fees to both the sender and recipient. The Ripple network includes more than 100 financial institutions, including the Bank of America, Santander, and American Express. XRP versus stablecoins. Then, the Jpmorgan document explained XRP's unique value in comparison to stablecoins, using the words of Ripple's Senior Director of Global Operations, Emi Yoshikawa. Quote, the role of XRP as a bridge asset in the international settlement is not competing with stablecoins, but on the contrary, it is complementary. XRP is not pegged to an underlying currency, unlike stablecoins which follow their underlying currency's volatility. XRP versus the SEC. The SEC v. Ripple lawsuit in an inevitable topic of discussion for XRP. On that matter, Jpmorgan points to the Howey test as the end goal and gives away the likelihood of a Ripple win. The Howey test says that an investment contract exists when these 4 conditions are met: investment of money in a joint enterprise with the expectation of profit to be derived from the effort of others. For the SEC to win the suit, Judge Sarah Netburn must determine that all 4 points as mentioned earlier are met. If she determines that one or multiple points are not met, Ripple will win the suit. If the company can win the SEC lawsuit and trading resumes on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase, XRP is poised for significant adoption. What will be the trends in the cryptocurrency space in 2022, and what will be the role of XRP once the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit is finished? We are headed towards the last month of 2021, a year that saw cryptocurrency markets reaching all-time highs both in overall market cap and asset prices. Investors and digital asset ecosystems are now looking for signals of what to expect in 2022 and onwards as the industry matures. Jpmorgan, one of the world's largest investment banks, will be hosting its Jpmorgan Crypto Economy Forum tomorrow, November 30th. Jpmorgan moves in crypto. The bank is one of the big ones joining the crypto movement, having created its digital coin for payments, JPM Coin, and providing wealth management clients with access to crypto via Grayscale and Osprey Trust, as well as an in-house Bitcoin fund. Jpmorgan has also been on the headlines admitting that institutional investors are increasingly replacing gold with Bitcoin and shifting favorites from Bitcoin to Ether. As part of the trend in the crypto industry, the financial institution is keeping an eye on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, as well as Polka, Uniswap, and Chainlink. The Jpmorgan Crypto Economy Forum will focus on today's ecosystem and tomorrow's marketplace. Conference attendance is by invitation only. Will Ripple and XRP steal the show at the Jpmorgan Crypto Economy Forum? We're headed towards the last month of 2021, a year that saw the cryptocurrency market reaching new all-time highs both in overall market cap and asset prices. Investors and the digital asset ecosystem are now looking for signals of what to expect in 2022 and onwards as the industry matures. A Jpmorgan report sent to investors earlier this month put XRP and the SEC v Ripple lawsuit under the spotlight and concluded that a win would put crypto assets on the road to mainstream adoption. Coinbase, which was mentioned as a critical player for relisting XRP, announced it would participate in the forum and be represented by CEO Brian Armstrong and lead independent director Fred Wilson. An exchange operator will share the fireside chat on a live webcast. This year, Ripple has successfully accelerated its global expansion despite fears that the lawsuit would cause hesitancy among institutional partners. It seems that the blockchain firm will be hiring a few hundred in 2022 as they prepare the launch of the upcoming liquidity hub. On top of that, the XRP ledger has just had a quote game-changer upgrade that took a year to come into effect, and it's likely to strengthen its appeal. Ripple's CTO, David Schwartz, said it was quote awesome news. The bank is one of the big ones joining the crypto movement, having created its digital coin for payments, Jpmorgan, and providing wealth management clients with access to crypto via Grayscale and Osprey Trust, as well as in-house Bitcoin funds. Jpmorgan has also been in the headlines for admitting that institutional investors are increasingly replacing gold with Bitcoin and shifting favorites from Bitcoin to Ether. As part of the trend in the crypto industry, the financial institution is keeping an eye on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, as well as Polka, Uniswap, and Chainlink. The Jpmorgan Crypto Economy Forum will focus on, quote, today's ecosystem and tomorrow's marketplace. Conference attendance is by invitation only. The sense that the outcome of the SEC v Ripple lawsuit could dictate in part the future of digital asset regulation and enforcement increases every day. It is no secret that Ripple has chosen to take on the SEC in a fierce legal battle instead of settling with the agency as many others have before them. Ripple Labs and its co-defendants Chris Larsen and Brad Garlinghouse might have taken the hard way out. Still, they are on a mission to shape the digital asset space, which includes limiting the SEC's role in cryptocurrency enforcement. In an interview, Stuart Alderoty, Ripple's general counsel, said that the SEC's approach under the current administration has been hostile, and it is doubling down on regulation by enforcement instead of providing clarity. The legal expert added that Ripple is uniquely situated to lead this discussion regarding the digital asset framework in the United States. This is not a case only about Ripple, and we are fighting on behalf of the industry. Ripple has released a paper that calls on regulators, lawmakers, and the industry to develop a framework for the ecosystem. Quote, cryptocurrency and blockchain technology need clear regulatory and licensing frameworks designed to address and remedy the specific challenges to our industry. All of the proposed measures discussed in this framework aim to provide legal clarity to industry, markets, and consumers in a way that a regulatory by enforcement approach cannot, said Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Ripple mentions the Securities Clarity Act, SCA, which proposes a new term, investment contract asset, and clarifies that such assets should be considered separate and distinct from any securities offerings that may have been a part of. The Digital Commodity Exchange Act, DCEA, which is complementary to the SCA, seeks to create a federal definition of digital commodity exchanges and charges the CFTC with authority to register and oversee them, similar to the requirements in commodity derivatives markets. The blockchain specialist also backs SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce's sandbox idea, which, under network developers, would be exempt for 3 years from the registration provisions of the federal securities laws. They would be allowed to launch their products and develop their networks through token transactions during this time. If network maturity has been achieved after 3 years, token transactions would not trigger securities registration requirements under SEC Pierce's proposal. The current uncertainty in the US regulatory landscape discourages innovation and could cause a brain drain in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. To incentivize innovation and inform the development of a clear and consistent regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies, we believe innovation sandboxes should be encouraged. Above-mentioned brain drain is increasingly possible as blockchain has gained momentum worldwide, and many countries are taking measures to promote the development of their digital asset ecosystems. Last week, Binance announced it is injecting 100 million euros in an R&D blockchain project in France. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.